And one of the first things you got to remove is this little panel. And this goes right underneath the sunlight sensor. So you just pry it down. There's 2 tabs on this side and 2 tabs on this side. And then there's a trim panel. This goes right where the rearview mirror is. It's just simply pries down. There's a couple tabs. There's 4 tabs. And then the rearview mirror. It's got these detents, spring loaded. So you just pop it down and forward. Then the overhead control panel has these tabs. Let's see, there, and one on this side. Just press those and it drops down. And you just got to disconnect a bunch of electrical connectors.